Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Feret from Westfield Smiles. Today we're going to talk about bruxism. Bruxism is the clenching or grinding of teeth that often occur while a person is sleeping. There are many causes of bruxism. Whatever the cause, it is important to treat bruxism early to prevent damage and restore harmony to your teeth. The symptoms of bruxism include a sore, tired jaw, difficulty in opening and closing your mouth, sensitive teeth, headaches or earaches, pain in your jaw joints. It is also possible that you can clench and grind your teeth and yet notice no symptoms at all. When you brux, the force on your teeth is many times greater than during normal chewing. These forces can cause flattening or worn down teeth, loss of tooth enamel near the gum line, fractured or loose teeth, and damage to the jawbone or jaw joints. There are different causes of bruxism, but stress often is a factor. A common and effective treatment for stopping the damage caused by bruxism is the use of a night guard. This is a plastic device that fits over your top or bottom teeth and protects your teeth by absorbing the forces caused by bruxing. A custom night guard made from models of your teeth usually offers the most effective and comfortable protection. For more information on bruxism, contact us at Westfield Smiles, and have a nice day.